Next up today we're going to use Angelus green leather dye on the two different boards that I've got. I've got a reduced 50-50 mix of Angelus green and neutral, and then I've got straight from the bottle. So we're going to go ahead and take the reduced mixed first, soak it up in my old cut up t-shirt. We'll move over to the plain board. Come back and put one more coat on here. That second coat on the figured board really evens it out. Do that same on the plain board. The thin version sort of looks yellow-ish going on with that first coat. And then adding that second coat really darkens it up nicely. So we'll then come straight from the bottle with the green. This time this is significantly darker than the reduced. I think this might be the most drastic color difference I can see. Oh yeah, for sure. That's a big color difference right out of the bottle. I didn't really notice it that much with like the black and the red, or the blue for that matter. But coming right out, significantly different. So we'll do a second coat on the figured piece. And it's really deep, significantly deeper. We'll do that over here too. I cannot believe how dark and deep that green is right out of the bottle. So we'll get another t-shirt. We'll wipe up what's ever left over so it doesn't blot, get all splotchy. The green looks amazing. That's a significant difference between the straight from the bottle and the reduced. I have not seen that big of a difference. That green almost looks like it's been stained black and then sanded back. That's a big difference. So we'll let this dry. We'll come back in a couple hours, sand this off, and hit it with some naphtha and see what it looks like. So for the green, as it turned out, I was really surprised at how splotchy the plain maple piece became. The green straight from the bottle really kind of got splotchy, which I wasn't expecting. The figured piece came out fine. And what's amazing this time is how much contrast there is between the green and the diluted. So the diluted actually looks like a lime green versus the green straight from the bottle became really dark green. Really like how dark it is in the figured piece, and in the light piece on the diluted side, just an interesting mix. So we're going to go ahead and sand back and then hit it with some naphtha. Alright, so we've got some naphtha now, and a clean paper towel, clean cut up t-shirt. I really like how the light green turned out. That is really cool. The light green turned out really outstanding. More of a green than a lime green once you get it wet. And let's see what the dark green looks like here. Wow, look at the dark green. That dark green looks outstanding sanded back. I've actually never done that. I know I've done that with the blue and gotten the blue jeans, but I've never sanded back green like that right off. That actually looks pretty cool. Alright, so there you go. There's your green Angelus leather dye on a figured board and a plain board. And impressed with the way the colors came out. Wasn't too happy with the splotchiness as I applied it, but once I sanded it back, really neat coloring. And I think in my future I'll be doing a sanded back figured green. That's a really neat effect. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next vid.